Hello, welcome back. Today we are going to see our new module, that is Introduction to Python Programming and Python Languages. Okay, so before proceeding, let's see what is programming language. Why we say programming language? Why not English language? Okay, programming language because we are going to communicate with computers. Okay, so the computer doesn't understand our normal English. We need to compile them in a programming languages. Okay, talking about the normal English, what we have to make sure, we have to make sure that the words are correct, the grammar are correct, then only we are going to proceed with the sentences. In the same way, in Python programming languages, the medium need to be connect in such a way that it should follow all the keywords, reserved words, and the syntax that met the requirements of Python compiler. Okay. For example, in normal language, that is your English language, what it does, it is to communicate with one another. Okay, just like I am communicating with you in English. Okay, so what I have to take care, I have to take care that I am using the correct words, correct syntax, and so on. Syntax means the grammar. Okay, talking about the programming languages, what we have to take care, we have to take care that we use the correct keywords, the correct reserved words in order to make a executable statement. Okay, second is we have to make sure that we follow the set of rules that is defined by Python. Okay, syntax means set of rules. Okay, and in other words, syntax means the grammar of the programming languages. Fine. Yeah, so now let's look at what is Python. What is a Python? A Python is a high level programming languages. Why we say high level programming languages? Because it is similar to our normal English, that is we are speaking. Okay, the syntax, okay, the rules are not that complex as compared to low level programming languages like C, C++. Okay, here when you go through the C and C++, you will see that it is not that readable as compared to Python. Python is just similar to our English languages. Okay, so it is very easy to learn, user friendly, and you can easily learn as compared to any other languages. Okay, so as a beginner you can start with Python. Okay, now let's see what are the application, what is the use of learning Python. After completing the Python course, what you are going to learn is you can either become a web developer, you can jump into the data science, or you can jump into the game development. Okay, apart from this you can also create a web app, that is web application or computer application with the help of Python. Okay, so Python, why it is so popular? Because it has a lots of libraries. Libraries means a set of programs. Okay, for example, if you are creating a one program that is for machine learning, you just have to import the data, that is import the library. You don't have to write the entire code from the scratch. You just have to import the library. Fine. So it can be used in many other things like web dev, web development, data science, game development, machine learning, and many other things. Okay, so this is just the introduction part of the Python programming. We'll see in the next class how we can start with our first program in Python. Till then, take care.